Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rocket Lawyer for ongoing legal templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Rocket Lawyer website at www.rocketlawyer.com. Locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will see options for starting a free trial or signing up for a membership. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you opt for the free trial, read the details about the trial period. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password for security purposes. Once you have filled out the necessary fields, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Rocket Lawyer. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the Rocket Lawyer website. Log in using your email and password. Now that you are logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the Legal Documents section. Here, you will find various templates available for use. Select the type of document you need by browsing through the categories. Click on a specific template to view more details about it. Review the template information to ensure it meets your requirements. If you wish to use the template, click on the Create Document button. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information to customize your document. Once you have completed the customization, review the final document. You can choose to download, print, or save the document for future use. To access additional templates, simply return to the Legal Documents section. Consider exploring other features, such as legal advice or attorney consultations. Now you're ready to use Rocket Lawyer for your ongoing legal needs. Continue to explore the platform as you navigate your legal journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.